Okay, so this one's gonna be a lot more difficult than the other one, of course. I think this one, once it gets broken free, it'll just pull right off. All it is a keyway, but I'm sure it's been on there a long time. Is there any other way to do it? You have to get the hub off to get all this off. This one wasn't leaking as bad, but I'm still gonna do her up since I got the seal for it. So I'm gonna need some reinforcements. Give her some more.
This wood isn't giving us enough purchase. They're just sinking in the wood. I gotta get more solid. Yeah.
What is it doing?
It's pissing us off.
Oh, what do we got going? All right, so my dad's giving up on it because he's a quitter.
What do you mean I'm giving up on it?
He's a quitter,
That's what you
a
said.
loser.
You said we gotta quit on for today.
All right, hub no go. Time for plan B. Let's see what we got for voltage here. .48. Let's see if it'll charge. .57. Yeah, it's charging. I noticed it lost a little speed, so I think I might have to adjust this a little bit. Or pull a little bit more. Because it used to go 18 to 20. So what we got going on here?
Hi YouTube. Oh, my shifting lever broke off.
Well, how hard are you on it? Yeah, there's no lever there. What happened with it?
I put it in reverse. The handle come off in my hand, so I had to back up all the way home from the neighbor. Now I got shifted by hand. Okay, so I'm gonna go back one and see if I got it neutral.
So are you gonna
Alright.
just leave it like this for the rest of its life?
I think so. No, I ain't got it yet. Maybe I went the wrong way. Look there, nothing to it. It should be neutral. That should be drive. I like it like this. Yeah, I could drive.
Harder for someone to steal it.
Yeah, it is.
Don't even know how to start it.
No.
But if they watch this video first, then they would.
Well, they better not watch it then.
Alright, so let's see if we can conquer this thing. Got it jacked up on a jack stand. I got the big nut off the hub, but it doesn't matter because it ain't gonna come off. So I gotta take these out again. So I'll do that. One more. Okay, so here's what we got. These bolts go through, so they're not actually using the threads, existing threads. So we're gonna pull on the back side. And then I'm using the bolts from the old 60 jig, right there. I couldn't find any bolts. So I ran a tap and die down them, and it should work now. So I think once it moves a little bit, it's gonna be over because it's tapered, so.
Yeah, we just gotta get it to move that first little bit. We got her.
That was the moment.
That's what we were waiting for.
Boom.
My new torch did it.
Looks like I was in the shot. Oh well. Alright. I don't know if it'll slide off here or not.
I'm thinking it will. If we don't let it get too cold.
Ain't gonna be that easy, is it?
Well, we might have to make one more pull. It's still warm.
How about just a rubber mallet or hammer with wood?
Yeah.
Well, guess we'll use the puller.
Hmm?
We'll use the puller, that's why we have it.
Yes. We'll set her up once more. If we get her to go once more, then I think then we'll
I'm just
get
gonna
her.
need a little bit more forward here. Alright, let's get... The paint is getting weak.
Okay, push this tight. And now we gotta take up the slack. Oh, we're gonna need more, aren't we?
We could.
Try that. Grab that wrench there and run them in. Okay, before she cools off too much.
Let's try just with this. It might be all it needs.
Yeah, she's moving. You see her moving?
Yeah.
Look at that. Them pullers are the best. They have to go. You might be getting to the end of your threads, huh? That whole thing should move pretty soon. I gotta go get a good rubber hammer.
Yeah, it's just binding a little bit because
Yeah, where's that good rubber hammer?
that's that. Now the seal can be replaced. I'm not going to show you that part because that was in the first part. You can check that out in a different video. And I'll show you when it's done. Or if something really cool happens, but I doubt it. Well, she got dark on me, which I figured it would, but it is almost done. I just gotta bend this washer over so the nut can't come loose. Like so. My washer's got a notch for the keyway, the slot for keyway slot, so I can't back off now. I think that is going to be good. The seal went pretty good. I used tricks that I had from last time. There's a spot there, but that's old. Hopefully this does the trick. We will see.